say no we MP o de men register our presence abra ye okwan na ye say do election time a ubehu na ntwe krampo meto mawo nipa se Ghana fo ye ni awa ye ni ate eti honorable MP onwangasa was stepping down all grounds and the big push is coming again but who the entire ye road minister honorable Kwame Governors Agbaja e ka kire say we big cars tipper trucks here mofofa load akese be the say omuhu bi say we overload here from 5,000 Ghana cedi fine ye dey 50,000 Ghana cedis the way nipa na ba bebu kwan na ese no kwan na na menu mienu ye boy ye ho abaso say ye ade ye kwan no hwe de oto wo ye. The big push, yes, I'm back again. The big push is coming again. Ah, me say news na me dey ma ono to wasi. Tie lady anotewa again and what rough. Now me feel it kwan of so describe Ghana your rules. Emma solutions. How are you betima affordable roads with cheaper materials but a bit last longer. Ni na no materials a ye be Ghana ye na kwan of us to church no ma fall in love am again. I'm in love what road minister honorable Kwame Government Agbaja waduma yefo to was in the tege say you apply all this gay kaya look Ghana heroes a be better and I say any better. But after this, who tell we many won't come over for BD on rules. Na hupa. Sir, honorable Ewurabena no. Hey, and now they be Nana me fall in love too much to them. I'm here. But you be also come on the big push. Roads are ecoso on the constituency.
What if we could fix every road in Accra in one election cycle? Let's go. When I say fix, I don't mean perfect roads. I mean smooth, no bouncing, no dust in your face. Because more trouble doesn't mean asphalt. Do you know the price of asphalt? Like 1 million per kilometer. Jesus. So you know what happens? We fix a few roads and then we leave the rest. Like this. So here's a cheaper, local, scalable solution. Step 1 is data. Map every road using drone and satellite tech, which we already have, and then classify them into 4. Unpaved roads, graded, pothole-heavy roads, or fine as it is. Now match the local solution to the problem. For unpaved residential roads, use laterites, that's red earth we already have, compacted and stabilized. That's up to 10 times cheaper than asphalt, and it lasts 8 to 12 years. Smooth, no dust, no bachi-bachi in your face. For graded roads, reinforce them with plastic grids and seal the top with bitumen and stone. This can last 7 to 12 years. You can even add in coconut husks if you want the drainage. Now the road will hold and stay solid even when it rains. For pothole-heavy roads, stop the patch. You rebuild the base, stabilize it with an otter seal, that's bitumen and local gravel crushed together. That lasts 8 to 15 years. Keyboard warriors, I'm aware that if you don't talk about drainage, we're just building expensive swimming pool. But please, that one, another episode. Here's the mindset shift about fixing roads quickly. We're not trying to build roads that last 100 years today. We're trying to fix movement right now. Get people to work safely, move goods efficiently, reduce dust, damage, increase health outcomes. Then as the city grows, we upgrade priority roads to asphalt. The best part is this can all be built locally. Laterites from the northern part of Ghana, stone from the eastern and Ashanti regions, plastic waste from Accra and Tema, cement, Tema and Takrade, even coconut husks from the coasts. That's jobs, factories, and local industry. And this fits into a 1-year election cycle. Year 1, map and pilot. Year 2 and 3, roll out by road type. Year 4, finish and maintain with a public timetable so everyone knows when their road is coming. No bribes, So the real question is, do we want a few perfect roads or a city where every road works? What do you think about this? Could it work in your African city? Let us know in the comments. Let's.
Why Afanano and the tun so come out beautiful. The way what to the was at materials are able to find local Ghana hey and yet the usual asphalt and be. Kwanya be first with me fixing potholes. Kwanya ya kwan inner roads. Ye betim enye ko tali ye the asphalt. E be first wo. Kwanya ye dualization of our roads. Ye betim with cheaper products. Mame, Jenkratway, call road ministry in chain, who could do her, catch road minister, honorable Kwame Governors, say, one in the bedroom come on. For a dear Yamano, because Ghana, no, we are all building it together. So, Obi was a genuine idea, yeah. As I said, you implemented. More brochire, more hemi. From UK, I go see US, Germany, go see Belgium, China, I go see Japan, Singapore, I go see Qatar, France, I go see UAE. More man better roads, China, the I yes, travel and see, more to quiet a moon. Say over and Yama gay air kaya. Are possible? Mahobi, I will brochure. And as you forget him, Momodiano, not Ghana. Yes, we are implementing. Yes, we are your ideas. Not your rose, no, and your idea, yan yatnasi, and yadino, and yaye. Because the usual way of making rules. The abrofono, I be our man for my so, and yes, so I just photocopy. Any black and white, and ye be any so ye took Ghana. And more multi nano will testify. Say the better rules are monty, and a moduma sam mokwa, and tem, contemporary tem, moko beduswas in dream. I ain't yet. Can't in ya quan in yet. Porto snitch rate to Pobu. Over is 2 hours in Piebo. One here to cramp Piebo in Natino. Yet obey example, I saw them. Say, Mamma Bompire saying, Uncle Dauruma. Now Dumunti, and that's what Tiasi by a binamo and Tiasi Bew. That is a one, we are dead and gone. Or a funeral. Nina, you're quite bonny. Quiet and yentia. But today, me no share this good news. Kaiser, when it comes to road updates about the big push, they be on me no come on. But there are some few people be on one comments about and regarding your roads. And then omo titiri omo kwan yenye munkafra wate mo kwan bia se mudwa ko national cake ni de ye chair se esu bia so apontimpe cake ba cake we de obi abegene share eti mo a na mo ga about roads a yenye mamo ham ho ma sha se target road minister ese ohwe e chire kwan na obe sa kwan but me wie comment na enko to was relax it. Because me no me needing come on. Ye ba be di another road under construction. This time around, the big push road minister and John Dramani Mahama, my president, your president, our president, Eddie Magana for no. MP Bakwa, or your first time MP in Parliament, the 9th Parliament. I'm in Papa. She's beautiful. But wait, I'm asking for a friend. Wawari. And you na bibu so, madam for business bibu sa. Open aka. Udi obe kan bia me fa. Madam for business bibu sa. But you be doing hongo. On the comments, amount for Ediaba regarding rules. And many din come about rules. A lot of people, I say omo asem, they have problem because road minister said there, or ye in any I'm saying, so far, according to the road minister, Ghana roads, all over Ghana. Oko Greater Accra region, Oko Volta region, Upper West region, Upper East, Northern region, Savannah region, friends Northeast region, Oba Western North region, Western region, Eastern region, Central region, Bono region, Bono East, Ahafo region. Almost all these regions in Nano, there were some roads we are Ekoswa ye Hoduma. Into a new dear trust me, and check a bedu dear so now. A man for comment in be on roads. 7 Hawks B4S as a Western region, tap credit to Agona Nkwanta. Double road is going on, almost finished. Chamai, we are great what it. Messi, yeah, Diana, number Mama Basso. Munya said they be more demanded. When you ask, you give him our, he said thank you. Now Jesus Christ, Ukrano, or yeah, Papa man, Nipoduno. obusa ba to say ah na nkono na aka no omo he where are they Jesus club fans na road minister eti abrante I friend 7 horse why are they papa yeah 2 dope official as you say my hometown Donko Chrome from Plains to Cold North and also yenye chairman enche yebeduro wate Adenta commando and also yakwan commando pa abrante ye fe no menim say abrante and also your ba sweet mark or see Adenta commando enti road minister take for book no ojota no never pen shall say jot to because we na yakwan a Uganda here ese ye Abrante friend Bassman or say left with Tepa Odikrom and Tatu Mankasu Road. Mankasu and Mankasu. Say Mankasu na oka na say Mankasu. The oka bi another say Tepa Odikrom Road. Road minister munyenuru ho. Enti o say momra. Abrante friend dia ayenkan say Tepa Yamfu Road, we there. Miami side ha. Tepa Yamfu Road should be named, and when JDM don't should be named, JDM don't forget. Yenya na ye name no. I hope say o kasi yenye. Enche kai say yebeduru ho. Road minister a friend say excavators na nam kwanso enche yebeduru ho. Abrante friend no tewia set. As please Kintampo North through Busiama to Soranoasi Road. Soranoasi. Hey. Be push the remember. Soranoasi Road for over 100 years. Hey, now what the face saying? Debut. Tell you set. What the face saying? Also for over 100 years now, undone. Tell the road minister to come and construct for us. Hey. What the 100 years? Abo. Kwanenye. Enyakra. Oh, kindabo for Mukafra. Road minister Pacho on your miss call. Obi say what about Kumasi to Sunyani Road? Oh, sa kwan de omuguzo. Omo ye the dualization kra Pacho. Sa kwan de ende be fa ha na uni Ghana. Ai, so uni Ghana no we breche ne me more update. Sa kwan de guzo ye. What to Hamley Road has not been mentioned. Abrant even say Justin nwa said then odini de kan de ayden emfa but o say what to Hamley Road and also yenye ye nti road minister honorable Kwame governor Agbaja o adwuma ye Kwame Danso to a table road hasn't been done. There's a lot of the comments about roads na say about road Ghana for dia tum say ye papa na de say nka the year of road na no ene asenso boache eyero mo ye adwuma ya enka adwuma na aka nka be for pa o just Ghana for mo say kro ampa ade be be sa o na we na politician mutirimu edene science say that here nema gidigidi sa o because we had the concern amount for war on roads just do their roads for them eya ta sika eya numbers ya sika ya mo gigi ya na mo ko bobusuaba. Then we ask you to construct common roads. Roads now say mo per election mo dem ka afa so na etim na no me kai election time. But me na one side bia ogia na wakam. Am say wakam. Samo ye ya sanka sanka wakam. Eno keke na ebio. Eso muntimi nye. Now, let's continue on the roads. Now, Honorable Ewurabena this beautiful woman, African woman apa Oyoba na offend this is so na ugo pemu ewo Dansoman Junction na serious work eguso a ekoso na ono a sese no we MP wo de men register our presence abra ye okwan na ye hwese do election time a ubehu na ntwe krampo meto mawo nipa se Ghana fo ye ni awa ye ni ate eti honorable MP Onwangasa was stepping down all grounds and the big push is coming again. Eti ordinam I make sure say be able to come out. Now Mahudi entia ye road minister honorable Kwame governors Agbaja e ka kire say What we big cars, tipper trucks, yeah, move for load. I can say be. Say omuhubi say what overload ya from 5,000 Ghana cedi fine. Yeah, they cost 50,000 Ghana cedis. Where sir trucking, wafa timbandia, best 3. He chen fia bia wasadia sak semenam na me hu saka we bia. Either say imagine 50 meters behind it. And I say me this speed ebetwam akodi kan. Me fe me fo engrasifo. Omu ni swag back say. Me ntwa ma hu bi da. Say ade tie every kwan so. Ebe store say what ase ho ni ebubu ni na eku nipa. Enti mi hu pe na manya trauma. Mempe. Na hwebe bi order ni hu e wo kwan no. Na he load now the nan kwan so. And this is why some matu kwan ewa amanfo man so. Ese ade na oman Ghana no. Ase ye dwene ekwechi sa. Amzo ade. Mo abroche mo confirm me say sanity a. Almost this is the reason why they keep on talking about trade. Misu and nesu biu masaka biu. People are complaining, why are we not thinking about trade? Now you make a cargo train, the load, for railway so at every different a city to another city. Ghana ni try to tell me no mienu. Hello di kete anam. Say your cargo train ibia. And the railway nadawa and canvas. And kakwana ye boka. Big puchi over $10 billion. Ye di ya kwan. No. Again, among for so kopiemu ewa brochira me nko hoda. Mo amu brochira mo testify. Almost ye twitwa no in locks. Nkete. Near the good friends and container mu. Nya ye de ko. Ade ya ye. Ekuni pada. Yehuda. But as usual, Ghanaians are reactionary. Assembly CWA as na nyansa aba. The time ama more death will happen. Then all of a sudden, the experts. Now, one and nyansa. How a solution. Meanwhile, we know it is a problem working there. Yenim say ade na your problem. Death sentence na namono. Chain ni ti say kunkro e sound of otimi so chain ni be 50 years. Na o sesa no. Ebe ku nipa enche. But as usual, say ye dofunu. E chen say nipa ti asinkun ade. Say ye can my condolences ni kan the rough. Oh, rest in peace. Nyame na de bae. Ali e ka o enu nko an nim ka. But the oye nipa na e ba bebu. Kwan na ese no. Kwan na me no mienu. Ye boy ye ho aba so say ye ade. Ye kwan no. Hwe de oto o ye. And I don't even know why in at west mom travel anajo. Rollins a tell me you next an ye no. Na kasa kesi ni na tu anajo. Utu by 10 by 4 esi ugina. Se undu baby akwa gina ho. But ene lawlessness no ya born say captain amban. Ya ka bia nwa ya dwene hwe ho. This nipa wu. Na me pacho wa o experience. My research kakra. My say London. Ebi wo ho. I don't know more France. More US. More Germany. Ebi wo ho de a. Ugo pemu ewo the drainage system in Accra. Aye problems na yaye gata kakraka and so from. But as usual, the whole world open omomunim ball 2 ball ngua ye na ya de pa. Enti ye beto agu gata nim. Na sisi na choki. Na anu ye ya di Chicago mass ye da pa so fan ko hidre the system ay sika de he na 1 million shene pass sika no so ahye ye hurwe ye do bi asi obi sajase se ye betima ye ma na possible ye betima use sa gata na yaye ni ye na aye in a friend say wetland transportation system am say chamai cheda car so be or dey pull back ma say dey na take you kuno again Ye kwan kra ye nwie. Train na me bo railway so say pe. Na manfo bu afu. O mbe so mete. Ba dodo na so nya railway na mo pe. Now you am transportation minister. I say or think how a Ghana. You be start a transport a friends your goods on water. I'm thinking a bad idea. Me na me pen so jare. Nti no me dem nko. But dodo na no e be boa ye ama ye rose nyetima preserve no more. Eti e possible. Say ye betima bibi say e Ghana. Say be ye rose no ye be keeping ye betima keep ya maintaining. Na more load on it. Now you are creating different way of transportation. Is possible? And I possible. I know say Ugo Pimo London Bako Elho. I know say there will be others in different countries. Or outside Ghana. Catch them. But what can we do to preserve our roots? After making it, after maintaining it, dear nyen preserve it. Say be a bit last e dey ma me no me no e possible ye betima ye but still permission granted wa ye nye o kwan na so da ho drop comment no our comment section na say catch me kwan ben and ye ye say ya o so please say thank you to the road minister for me fatu comment section na say subscribe like na share mo unia enya bi enready no all the same e ba ko pe Max Billion, I will naked truth to old Boga Trends, Macro. Bye bye.